Hey guys, so this video is for those of you that have a trusty TRK 702 and you're looking to lower it. So if like myself you are vertically challenged and touching the floor is a bit of a problem for you, but you love the bike, then the only way forward really is to lower the bike. So I've already got the lowered seat in there, and I'll put a link up there for the video showing that seat being fitted. And I've got a lowering kit waiting to be fitted. I couldn't fit the lowering kit because I didn't have a shorter side stand. But today, my short side stand has arrived from Uncle Wang's. So this product isn't actually listed on its own, that you can buy on its own. It's part of one of the height reducing kits, but it wasn't part of the kit that I bought. So I messaged them and they basically charged me 2 delivery charges, which was £20. And they sent me that, so not bad, 20 quid including delivery. It's quite chunky, it's really weighty, so it's not like one of the cheap Temu or AliExpress stands. It's really good. So I'll hold it up against the original and we can see if we can see a difference. Okay, so a few obvious differences. Obviously the foot is entirely different. This has like a welded box section. The actual foot print itself is pretty much identical, but the structure is different. This is obviously a shaped stand and this is a tubular one. Looking at the top, you still have the lugs either side to operate the switch, and you still have the spring catch down there. The main thing that's strikingly different is the sweep angle of this stand. So obviously I can't get this onto where it should be, but if you just look at that, there is quite a difference there. So I'm assuming that once that's on and the bike is lowered, it's actually adjusting the height itself so that it stands correctly. So I'm not fitting this today because obviously it would be the wrong stand with the bike the height it is currently, but once the lowering kit has been fitted to the spring, they'll be fitting that at the same time, and I'll do a video at the workshop showing all of that being done so you can see exactly what gets done to your bike when they do it. I will show you the lowering kit now so that you can see what's going to be going on with the stand. But as I say, 20 euros including delivery. Took about 3 weeks, just under 3 weeks to get here, which was a lot quicker than the actual kit itself. That took nearly 6 weeks to get here. So if you are thinking of doing this, really forward think, because I booked in with somebody thinking it would take 2 weeks for the lowering kit to get here, and it just didn't turn up, so I had to cancel. So just remember to schedule if you're going to get yourself booked into somebody's workshop. But let's take a look at the lowering kit itself. Okay, so this is the -4 centimeter lowering kit. So basically what will happen is your spring will mount into here, and this will mount onto where the spring originally mounted. So you get quite a drop, and then this bracket and this bracket go against the frame to stop any movement. Apparently reasonably heavy, and there is an aluminium kit, but I think I just wanted the strength of the cast kit rather than the aluminium kit. The aluminium kit does come with the reduced size stand as part of the kit, but as I say, I just preferred the strength of this because I'm just nervous about things like that. So now that all the kit I need for my lowering is here, I can now call the garage and get myself booked in. We're just at the start of November, so hopefully I'll be able to get it in this month. And yeah, if they will let me, I will film the process of them fitting the drop link in there, the dog leg, and the side stand, and we'll do some measurements and show the difference in heights. And I'll take some pictures of me standing on the bike before and after, so you can see the height difference and then see whether it's worth investing in the kits for yourself. But for me, I love the bike, absolutely changed my riding world, but it's just that little bit too tall still. So that's why I'm going for it. So all in all, the side stand was £20. The lowering kit itself, I think, was 118. So respectively, considering you only pay, you know, 6 and a bit grand for the bike, it's not a lot of money to get it just right. So yeah, so that's it for now, and I'll do another video for you on the installation day. Take care.